Our first tip is to water wisely. The golden glow of the early morning sun is the perfect time to quench your plants' thirst. This allows the soil to absorb the moisture before the midday heat arrives, reducing evaporation and ensuring that the water penetrates deep enough. Always remember, too much or too little water can be harmful. So feel the soil to make sure it's just right. Next, we discuss the magic of mulching. Mulching is much more than an aesthetic choice. It's a garden's first line of defense. It preserves moisture, fights off weeds, and enriches the soil. Organic mulches like straw or bark are excellent choices as they decompose and feed the soil. Our third tip is all about pruning and deadheading. It's like giving your plants a refreshing spa day. Removing dead or overgrown branches and flowers not only tidies up your garden, but also stimulates new growth. It's all about understanding your plant's needs and directing their energy to where it's needed most. Moving on, we discuss embracing natural pest control. Forget synthetic chemicals. Instead, invite beneficial insects like ladybugs into your garden. They are nature's very own defense system. For tougher cases, organic options like neem oil are a great choice, as they protect your plants without disturbing the ecosystem's delicate balance. Our fifth tip is all about soil testing and amendment. Soil is the foundation of your garden's health, and testing it ensures it has the right balance of nutrients. Adjusting your soil based on the test results is like tailoring a nutrition plan for your plants, making sure they have everything they need to flourish. Finally, we champion plant diversity. A garden with a variety of plants is a resilient one. Different plants attract a range of beneficial insects and contribute to a robust and balanced garden ecosystem. From the tiniest flower to the tallest tree, every plant plays a role in this symphony of life. In conclusion, these 6 steps are your roadmap to a vibrant and healthy garden. Embrace them and watch as your green space transforms into a thriving oasis. Until next time, happy gardening.